Hi everyone, welcome to another unboxing video. Today we have the Chromebook from Asus. This is the C434TA-DH342T. I'm gonna write this down in the description below. But this is one of the most famous Chromebooks in 2020. It's the Intel Core M3 8100Y series. It has 32 gigabyte of eMMC storage and 4 gigabyte of RAM, and obviously Wi-Fi 82.11 AC, and the battery cell here we have 3 cells at 48 watt hour. So we'll open the box and see what comes in it. This is another Amazon warehouse deals, so obviously the packaging might be a little bit different from what you get if you were to order this brand new. So we'll open the box very quickly here and see what comes in it. It seems like it's actually in the original packaging. So this is the laptop. So we'll put it on the side first and see what else comes in the box. So here we have some documentation, user guides, and on the side here we have the power adapter. So this power adapter is actually, the good thing about it is very small, and it's USB-C, which is very nice because you could use this to charge your phone as well. So that's a good power brick, and it's actually quite small. And this is the laptop. So it's obviously by Asus. It's a Chromebook. It's a metal design. And this is the 14-inch. So we'll open it from the packaging here. So this is the silver color, and what we have here is we have USB-C for charging, and we have USB 3, the volume, the headphone jack, and then the volume rocker, and then we have the power button, and on the other side we have the SD card and another USB-C. So it's have quite a bit of ports. And the speakers are down firing speakers. To me, actually, this looks brand new, and it even turns on right away. So we'll do some testing on it and see how it performs. So this was just a quick unboxing for this Asus 434T model. A very nice laptop, and we'll do some testing on it, and we'll give you my opinion about it. So thanks everyone, and we'll see you on the next one.